Okay, welcome to this product demonstration video for the OnCall EZ2 blood glucose monitoring system. This is made by Acon Labs. It's a completely self-contained blood glucose glycometer or blood glucose monitoring meter system. Uses test strips which are coded, and the coding ensures that the test accuracy is set for each batch against this meter. So it's a very nice, simple, affordable testing kit for diabetics who need to keep a regular eye or a random eye on their blood sugar levels. It has a distinct orange port where the test strips are inserted, shown here on the box. And the design of the meter we'll show you in a minute is nice and robust with a big LCD screen, making it very easy to read. Anybody with poor vision, which can be a problem with type 2 and type 1 diabetes. And it's a single button operation meter, which is very easy to set up, which is one of the beauties of it. It's only got 100 test memory, which is on the low side for most meter systems these days. Some of them are coming in with up to 400 test memories. But really, unless you're having recurrent problems and having to do recordings for a clinic, 100 test memories is probably perfectly adequate for most casual users just needing a nice, easy blood glucose test system. So what we're going to do is show you the pack contents that you get with this meter system. If we open it up, we'll see what you get in here is a quick reference guide for men who aren't going to read the instruction reference and just want to get it out of the box and go. That's a very quick and easy way. Just basically shows you around the meter and how to use the test strips, the lancing device, and read the meter. Okay. You get a pack insert for the lancing device giving you instructions. There's control solution guidance on here. The warranty card which can be sent off, but you get a full 12 months warranty if buy this in the UK. And a really nicely written full user's guide for lady buyers who are actually going to read the data insert and the full user's guide. And actually it does give you a lot of reference if there are any problems with here in terms of looking up for some of the error codes that you can get. It's a very comprehensively well written English blood glucose monitoring user's guide. Now, getting onto the actual meter, this is worth showing you. You do get this really nice plastic lockable hard case for storing all your bits in, and first out comes the digital meter, and this is what you get. Protective screen on the front, port where the test strips go in, single button operation, and the battery just clips into there. It's a standard CR2032 battery, widely available in the UK. Should be good for a good 12 months once inserted, and the battery is stored in the bottom of that piece of casing for you there. And if we move on to the rest of the contents, because this is a complete out of the box ready to go test kit, you get a OnCall auto lancing device, which is a spring-loaded auto lancer. Control solution test code chip. You need to use that. It's only if you're having problems with it and need to recalibrate the unit. Pack of 10 Lancets, which are the sharp needle devices that you put into the auto lancer, and that takes your finger prick of blood. And you also get in the pack 10 starter strips of the OnCall Plus blood glucose test strips, which are what this meter uses. And in there is the code chip for these, which is code on this batch 960. They'll vary between different batches. What you need to have in the back of this meter is the correct code chip for the batch of test strips you're using. And in addition to that, you also get a little vial of control solution. Now the control solution is basically a standardized concentration of glucose in solution, which you can use to do a test of the meter if you think it may be giving you inaccurate readings. That will basically calibrate it to the setting on the standard solution. But as I say, these are code chipped. Now the advantage of code chipping with the meter systems are that each batch of test strips manufactured by Acon have a specific code chip that carries the calibration information to the meter, and that is basically put into the back of the meter each time you start a new batch of test strips, and that should calibrate it to ensure that the readings you're getting with this meter system are accurate. So it's a very easy and comprehensive system. Gives you everything out of the box to get testing your blood glucose within 5 to 10 minutes with a quick startup guide. It uses the OnCall Plus brand of glucose test strips, which are widely available in packs of 50. and these are available from the ValueMed website. We also offer these on eBay and Amazon to make them accessible to all UK residents looking to restock their meter system. We also recommend that the on-call mission Lancets are used with this system. Again, a pack of 100. They're sterile Lancets, which give them an advantage over just an ordinary Lancet pack. Come in packs of 25. You get 4 packs of 25 in a 100 test pack for $4.95. So replace your Lancets regularly. It makes your finger lancing both sterile and low risk of infection, but also by keeping the lancet sharp each time you do a blood lance, you're getting away with doing a more shallow lance, and you get a better quality of blood drop for your testing. So that's the EZ2 on-call blood glucose monitoring system, available online and from the ValueMed websites.